Hi friends, this is Sharon. First, I just want to start with a small Bible verse. The horse is made ready for the day of battle, but victory rests with the Lord. Gudurayo யுத்தநாளுக்கு ஆயத்தமாக்கப்படும் ஜெயமோ கர்த்தரால் வரும். I just completed my schooling in this Nada Sangam Matriculation School only. From 3rd standard to 12th standard, I studied here. And 11th and 12th, I took biology with Max group. And I scored above 70% here. Then when I come to my college course, I studied an aeronautics course which is in Coimbatore, Nehru College of Aeronautics and Applied Sciences. I completed my aircraft maintenance engineering there. It's a 3 years course, actually it's a diploma course, 2.5 years in college and last 6 months in airport. So it's a diploma course, but basically it's based upon a fully licensed based course only. When I come to my college, only Tamil Nadu, we have only 2 colleges here. One is Hindustan, which is in Chennai, and one is Nehru College, which is situated in Coimbatore. I did in Coimbatore only. And if you see in my course, it's a diploma course. Diploma means it's not a normal diploma. Once we step out of college, it depends upon the license course. Actually, it's a 13 papers license. And I completed 9 papers now. Remaining 4 papers are there. If I completed, I will be eligible as an aircraft maintenance engineer. Now I am in a postdoc called senior technician. Difference between the aeronautical engineering and AME, people get confused of 2 courses. Aeronautical engineering, or they are the manufacturers. They will create parts and will hand over to us. But our job is to certify. If there is any mistake, we have to rectify that. We have to dismantle and assemble. And we are the only person who will certify those products and everything. Actually 2.5 years, it's a campus course. 2.5 years I was in campus. And our last 6 months, which is the final semester, we have to go for a training, 6 months training. Once we completed that 6 months only, we will get a course completion certificate from our college. I did my training in Blue Dart Aviation, Chennai only. I got training 1 year, I trained there. Then after that, I placed in Indigo. From college side, there won't be any help for your job vacancies and all. Only for training period they will help us, but for after that we have to, on our own risk, we have to try and get placed into any airlines like that and all. Then when we come into the subjects, it's totally related with aircraft subjects only, not with the normal course, English, Tamil, not and all that. Only aircraft related course only, electronic fundamental and digital techniques in aircraft, airworthiness law, engine functions and the avionics system, fully electrical system, and aircraft structures, dynamics, everything. Only related with flights only we have to study, and we will get a good exposure in college itself. In our college itself, we have 2 to 3 aircrafts inside, chartered aircraft and propeller aircraft, everything we have in our college. So it is very easy to utilize and get practiced in your college days itself. And when I stayed in hostel, because my hometown is Chennai, I studied there in Coimbatore. In hostel also we have study time also, 6 to 8 or 8 to 10, like that we have to separate ourselves and study time. And in hostel also we have aircraft to utilize time in hostel days also. Totally we can get a good exposure in fully aircraft until we come out from the college. Actually when you come with the nature of work, people don't understand that whether it is engineering work or what about the nature of work, people will get confused. Actually the nature of work is I am the one who certifies the aircraft, whether it is fit or not. I will give the certification sign to the pilot. Once without my clearance, the flight won't take off. Only if I am certified, only the aircraft will take off. The aircraft comes, we have to receive, we have to fuel, we have to do all the small maintenance item, and we have to communicate with the pilot whether if you face any abnormal things while flying and all. So we have to rectify that, and again we have to get back to the work. That's all the nature of work. Like flight mechanic and the certified officer, that's the nature of my work. And when you come and you see about my working skills and all, under me there are 10 members will be there, like assistants for me. I'll instruct them, I'll give the instructions what and all they have to do, and if there is any doubt or any abnormal things they are facing while working, I'll give the instruction, they will do the work, and after that I will ensure whether it is perfect or not, and I will certify it is fit to fly. That's my nature of work, and that's what I'm doing now. The job opportunities, it's not at all easy. Now you can see me, I'm wearing a uniform, flaps and all. It's not at all easy. You have to struggle. You have to face many things. Once if you completed your college means there won't be any job opportunities for you waiting outside the campus. You have to struggle, you have to face many people. There will be people to demotivate you. Only demotivated people around us only. everywhere there will be demotivation, but just don't consider them. Just focus on your aim and run in that. After I completed my training, I was jobless only. I was looking for a job. I have attended 2-3 interviews and got selected in Indigo. It's not at all easy to get into the field, but once you get it, you have to shine yourself and you have to improve. Just my simple advice is, don't bother anything. People will shout at you, people will discourage you, but not at all hear that. Just go in your way, focus on your goal, pray, believe in God. That's it. That's what I did, and I am standing now. I didn't succeed that much and all. Still more way to go. There is no end for any success. Until you are living, you have to succeed. That's it. Go on with your aim, pray well, and don't bother anything. Success comes behind you. Don't run for success, run for your aim. Success follows you. That's it. If you come with the salary packages, means that 1 year training there will be no salary. Without salary only you will be given with the training, and after that if you got placed in any airlines, the starting salary, I joined as a junior technician. Junior technician for starting salary is 35 to 40, but now I am a senior technician in Indigo. I am getting 50 to 55 per month. And once I cleared my license paper, I have next to pilot license, we will be given with aircraft maintenance engineering license. There are 13 papers in that. I cleared 9, I already told you that. 4 more papers remaining in that. Once I cleared that, I will be certified as aircraft maintenance engineer, and I will be given with 3 straps in my shoulder. Once you are in AME, you will get 3 to 4 lakhs in India, and if you go in abroad, definitely you will get 6 to 7 lakhs and all. Salary packages, that's it only. But to get this, you have to study a lot. There are lots and lots of portions. Clearing these papers and all is not at all difficult. You can compare with the MBBS course, like that only it will be there. Full of flight mechanics only. Every nut and bolt you have to study in that. So you have to work hard. Once you work hard, definitely you can shine in your future. That's all about my salary packages. Apart from all of this, from my side, what's my advice to you people is, just come out from your comfort zone. That's what is important. If you scored less in a 10th or 12th exam, it doesn't matter. I am not a excellent or topper student. I am an average student only. I just scored about 70% in the school. But that does not matter. Just come out of your comfort zone. Just don't think about others, what others will say. Just go on with your aim and plan yourself what we have to do. Just put a timetable in that. In this year, we have to complete this. We have to face anything. Just girls, for you mainly only. Boys can go wherever they want and do whatever they want. But girls, don't underestimate yourself. In this current situation, girl power is important. So you can take me as an example. Be bold. Don't fear for anything. Just face anything. And the school definitely helps you to be bold and all. And our management, principal, teachers, everyone are like that only. Shape yourself, mold yourself, and succeed in your life. That's it. And I want to thank management and staffs and everyone here who got opportunity for coming me here. Thanks, and thanks to your principal especially. Thanks to the teachers also.